Freebird half-inch spec call had a great response in Squad Fest. Tons of people played with it. Tons of people bought it. We sold out of all the main colors. We had a couple left of the brown ones, but your black, your ivory, your greens, those were all gone. Your Coke bottle, I think we had some of those, all gone super quick. So thanks everybody that showed up and purchased a Freebird. This call is sick. Here's a little sound file of what the Freebird sounds like. Super fast, super responsive, very easy to run. So if you're looking for a new spec call for this year, the Freebird is the ticket. We'll see everybody in Iowa this weekend.